Stairs can be hard to clean if your vacuum has a bulky design or a short power cord or hose, as these design elements impact your ability to efficiently clean tight, narrow spaces. If you're cleaning a staircase, an ideal vacuum should be lightweight, easily portable, and have great maneuverability. It should also be able to get into tight corners and have a long enough range to reach the top or bottom of your staircase. In this video, we will discuss the top 6 best vacuums for stairs in current market. So let's get started. Number 1. Bissell 27909. Looking for a powerful and convenient pet hair vacuum? Look no further than the Bissell Turbo Rewind Pet Vacuum. This agile vacuum has a powerful suction that can pick up even the most stubborn pet hair, and the automatic cord rewind means you'll never have to deal with a tangled cord again. The hands-free empty feature means you don't have to touch the dirt and hair, and the specialized pet tools make it easy to reach all the nooks and crannies where pet hair likes to hide. Number 2. Shark Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Cyclonic Pet Power Brush is the perfect tool for keeping your home clean and hair-free. This powerful brush uses 2 ultra-powerful cyclonic airstreams for incredible suction, and features a detachable self-cleaning brush that eliminates hair wrap from the floor, upholstery, and the brush roll. The XL Dust Cup is perfect for tackling big jobs, and the lithium-ion technology ensures reliable performance during each use. The Clean Touch Dirt Ejector makes for easy, hands-free debris disposal, and the crevice tool and scrubbing brush make it easy to clean hard-to-reach places and remove stuck-on dirt. Number 3. Bissell Zing 2156A. The Hoover Lynx is a versatile and powerful cordless vacuum that is perfect for cleaning both carpets and hard floors. It has a dirt cup capacity of 2 liters and features cyclonic action and powerful suction to provide thorough cleaning. Plus, there are no bags to buy or change ever. The Hoover Lynx also features a dirt cup filter and post-motor filter to help capture more fine dust and particles. Filters are washable and reusable. The vacuum has a 15-foot cord for great cleaning reach and retracts with the touch of a button for easy storage. It also weighs less than 8 pounds and is easy to maneuver with the integrated carrying handle. Number 4. Kenmore Elite 81714. Designed to clean all areas and surfaces of your entire home, den, kitchen, car or garage quickly and efficiently with multiple attachment tools and swivel head. Motorized attachment lifts stubborn pet hair, dander, and dirt quickly from surfaces. Unique design eliminates hair from tangling around the brush. Powerful airflow for a deeper clean. Pile height adjustment is manual. Enhanced HEPA filter system traps 99.7% of debris, trapping dander and dust inside the vacuum, reducing allergy-induced pollutants in the room. 2-motor system excels in suction strength. Exclusive stair grip enables unit to rest on staircase. Adjustable wand is lightweight and lengthens to extended reach of 10 foot. Detachable handle is perfect for thoroughly cleaning furniture, car interior, and tight spaces. Number 5. Black+Decker Dustbuster. The Hoover Lynx cordless stick vacuum is the perfect tool for multi-surface cleaning. It effectively removes hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, car interiors, furniture, and high-traffic areas. The vacuum is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. It comes with a crevice tool to access hard-to-reach areas like between couch cushions and on top of shelves. The push-in brush adds an extra layer of cleaning versatility for dusting and vacuuming upholstery. The wide mouth quickly scoops up large messes. The cyclonic action spins dust and debris away from the filter, supplying consistently strong suction power. Number 6. Bissell 2252 Clean View. Looking to help out some furry friends in need? Look no further than the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. This powerful vacuum not only cleans up your home, but also supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which helps save homeless pets. The vacuum features swivel steering for maximum maneuverability, making it easy to clean around furniture and other obstacles. It also has a triple-action brush roll that loosens, lifts, and removes embedded pet hair. Plus, with scatter-free technology, you can stop the scatter when tackling dry pet messes on hard surfaces. The vacuum also features edge-to-edge cleaning to tackle pet hair, dirt and debris along edges and in corners. Finally, it comes with specialized pet tools, including the Pet Turbo Eraser tool to clean stairs, upholstery, and more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.